Which electric pressure cooker is actually good for busy families? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find a solid answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 top options that really deliver on time-saving and family-friendly cooking.
Product number 1, Instant Pot Duo Mini Pro. First up is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. Priced at $89.99, this compact cooker caught my eye right away because it packs a lot of cooking power into just 3 quarts. If you're looking for something that can whip up quick meals for small households or side dishes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 7 cooking functions, you can pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, make rice, yogurt, or keep your meal warm, all in one appliance. Plus, it cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods. That means you can serve a delicious meal in record time, which is crucial for busy families. It's also made of durable stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution and great results. With over 8,000 units sold in the past month, it seems like families are really enjoying it. Now, some people complained about its smaller capacity not being enough for larger families. Here's the thing though. If you often cook in smaller batches or just for a couple of people, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're in a small household or need a reliable side dish maker. Skip this one if you're prepping meals for a crowd regularly. It's a solid value for its price. Now, if that smaller size bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Instant Pot Duo 6-quart. Next is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, boasting a 6-quart capacity for $104.67. What caught my attention here is its family-sized design, perfect for meal prep and batch cooking. If you want something that can serve up to 6 people, this is definitely worth a serious look. This cooker offers 7 cooking functions, just like the Mini, but with a larger capacity. The 13 customizable smart programs allow you to tackle everything from soups to cakes with ease. It cooks up to 70% faster, which means those busy weeknight dinners can be a breeze. Plus, the easy release steam switch makes it safe and simple to use, even if you're in a rush. With over 7,000 sold recently, it's clear that families are loving this. Now, some users reported issues with the steam release valve being a bit tricky, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's really not a big deal. Just take your time and follow.
Product number 3, Kasori Pressure Cooker. Coming in at $79.90 is the Kasori Pressure Cooker with a 6-quart capacity. What really stands out is its 9-in-1 functionality, which makes it a versatile addition to any busy kitchen. If you need an all-in-one appliance that can handle various cooking styles, you should definitely consider this one. The Kasori features 12 safety mechanisms, which means you can cook with peace of mind. The ceramic-coated inner pot is not only easy to clean, but it also helps prevent sticking, which is a common frustration when cooking. Plus, the 30-degree backward-angled steam release design makes venting safer and less intimidating. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction among families who need reliability. However, some users mention that the manual could be clearer. Here's the thing though, as long as you're willing to experiment a bit, this cooker is very intuitive and forgiving. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a safe and versatile cooker. Skip this one if you prefer a brand with a longer track record. Honestly, the price makes it a steal for what you get. Now, let's move on to a more advanced option that might suit larger families better. Product number 4, Instant Pot Pro. Next up is the Instant Pot Pro, priced at $149.99 and boasting an impressive 8-quart capacity. What caught my attention here is its 10 cooking functions, making it incredibly versatile for larger families. If you want to cook for gatherings or meal prep in bulk, this is a fantastic option. With the Instant Pot Pro, you get customizable smart programs that cover every meal you could think of. With 28 one-touch options, it preheats 20% faster and cooks 70% faster than traditional methods, which is a game changer for busy parents. The gentle steam release switch makes it safe to use, eliminating the fear of hot steam burns. Over 2,000 units sold recently shows it's a popular choice. Now, some users found the size a bit overwhelming for daily use. However, if you regularly cook for a larger group or want a meal prep,
this capacity is a blessing rather than a burden. This is perfect for you if you're often cooking for a crowd or need a reliable multitasker. Skip this if you prefer something more compact for occasional use. The features justify the price for frequent cooks. If the size was a concern, let's look at another great option that balances functionality and size.
Product number 5, Instant Pot Duo Plus. Last but not least, we have the Instant Pot Duo Plus, available for $129.99. This one features 8 cooking functions and is perfect for busy families. If you want a pressure cooker that combines ease of use with solid performance, this is worth your time. The Duo Plus includes guided cooking with an angled control panel that displays the cooking progress, making it easier for anyone to use. It's equipped with Whisper Quiet technology, which reduces noise during cooking, great for those late-night meal preps. Plus, the 8-quart capacity is meant for larger gatherings or batch cooking. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clear families are finding it useful. Now, some people mentioned they wished the instructions were a bit more detailed. Here's the thing. Once you get familiar with it, it's quite user-friendly, especially for those who enjoy following recipes. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet yet capable cooker for family meals. Skip this if you're looking for something very basic. The value you get for the price is impressive. As you can see, there are great choices for busy families here.
So to recap, we've covered the Instant Pot Duo Mini for small households, the 6-quart Duo for families, the versatile Kasori, the robust Instant Pot Pro for gatherings, and the user-friendly Duo Plus. Each of these electric pressure cookers offers something unique to make your life easier. No matter which one you choose, they all promise to save you time and effort in the kitchen.